love when the good news coming in on a day-to-day. Already know what's happening, I don't gotta shake the hay. Big moves, big stepper in the right direction. The trip continues, every W's a psychedelic. Journey over accolades, divvy up the maculates and tell them boys to have a day. Give and take, and I love to give. Give and take, and I love to see the bros hitting milestones. Gone, get your shine on, brighter than an iPhone screen. Anybody trying to take...
What's going on, everybody? It's Kyle here at All Dogs, and for the first time ever, we got Mike here on camera. His brand new 23 Pro 4X Frontier. Today's video, we're gonna go over travel numbers of all of our kits, including the Fox extended travel kit that's going on this, and we'll also cover my Titan swap. But right now, I'm gonna step away and let Mike walk you through his truck and what his plans are.
All right, so I had an STI earlier. You guys probably heard about that at some point. Just recently purchased a 2023 Pro 4X. Plans for it so far, I think in the extended travel Fox kit that we have, I'm going to throw some Broverlands on there in case we decide on throwing a rooftop tent eventually. Obviously it needs bigger tires, thinking probably 33s, kind of like Chad's truck. You guys seen plenty of that. And then eventually, when I'm not scared to scratch her up, take her off-roading. You know, some of those trails can get a little tight, but I know eventually it'll grow on me to give her a few pinstripes, a few scars, have a little fun with her. But other than that, I think that's pretty much all I've got in mind for it for now, and hopefully you guys stick with me on this journey as well as Kyle's and Chad's. Now that we've gone over what my plans are for the truck, let's get to the video.
I see the light at the end of the juice, got me swinging for the fence. Always look the light through a different lens. Sevens every time I put that lever. I love when the good news coming in on a day-to-day. Already know what's happening, I don't gotta shake the hay. Big moves, big stepper in the right direction. The trip continues, every W's a cycle.
I took measurements this morning on Mike's brand new 23 Frontier here, Pro 4X, the shop exterior with the Fox extended travel, and then my truck with a Titan swap. And we will go over up and down travel measurements on basically stock geometry truck here with the Bilstein 4600, and then we also have the 51 and the Koni here too. So if you come on in here, we'll show you. From hub to fender at stock height, we got 19.5 inches this morning, and from here I'll go up and we'll measure it, and then I'll go down and we'll measure it. You won't have any issues with needing extended bump stops or anything. All these are going to be perfectly fine for just as it is. So here we go.
On the bump.
Okay, so full up travel, we are at 17.5. And then if we drop it all the way down, your shock is going to limit your travel on all of these applications, and we are at just under 23. So now we will move on to the 5100.
I'm in the big leagues, told her don't miss me. Ballin' like Houston, ayy, feeling like Whitney. I need a bag, bruh, send it through quickly. I'm making his dog, like I'm in the big leagues. Told him that I gotta go, dog. I'm riding the road, y'all. I think that I'm back in my bag now. So I need that go, y'all. Got hits when he throwing the fastball.
Okay, so with the 5100 in, we don't physically have a measurement on where these ride at, but doing math, since the Fox extended travel is a 2.5 inch lift and it's a 21.5, we just set this one at 21, and we will take measurements from here. Yeah. Full bump should be the same as a 4600 at 17. All these should be 17 for the up travel number, with the bump stop being there. And then full down, Once again, your shock limited. And we are at 23.5. As you can tell, with no spring on it, it's just easier for it to up and down travel cycle. Also, since this is getting a Fox extended travel lift, we have loosened upper and lower control arm bolts, so everything is fully loose and floating. So we will move on to the Koni shock.
Too much that I've been through, so I put it all in that rear view. Clean money in a black whip, got old problems with the friends new. Yeah, I'm in the big leagues, told her don't miss me. Ballin' like Houston, ayy, feeling like Whitney. Yeah, I need a bag, bruh, send it through quickly. I'm making his dog, like I'm in the big leagues. Yeah, told him I'ma hit it out of stands.
So we have the 82 series Koni in here now. We also do offer the 90 series Koni, but the travel numbers are the same. So to make this quick and easy on everybody, we're just going to use the 82 series as it sits right now. Fine. It's fine. It's always fine. Once again, we're at 17 for up. And now the down. We are at hair under 24 inches. So as we've said before, the Koni shocks do offer a tiny bit more travel than the 5100s. Next, we'll move on to the Fox extended travel. And as we stated before in our spacer video we made, any extended travel shock is too long for the factory upper control arm, so we will switch out the factory arm for one of ours, and we will be back to give you measurements on that.
Hit the ground and it go off, yeah. Hit the ground and it go off, yeah. I can't take no loss, yeah. I don't even know what it costs, yeah. I hit the ground and it go off, yeah. Hit the ground and it go off, yeah, yeah. Run it, ooh. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my pen ready. Used to hold myself back, my self-esteem damn bad. Gotta keep on chugging, ran through everything in front of me. Might smoke bed heavy, got a whole agenda. Can't aspire to get ahead, so bump that.
So we got through the ADO upper control arm in, and the extended travel shock is in, once again without the spring. And at this point, we are ready for travel numbers. So, as we stated, we'll just go up to double check, but everything should be the same at 17. Also, these rest at 21.5. Just as you can see, it's engaging the bump stop on the shock, which is what it's there for. 17, and then pull down travel. We are at 24.25. So with the extended travel of the shock, extended length I should say, and the high clearance upper control arm that clears the bucket, you do get a little bit more additional travel. So that'll, now that we have all the OE length stuff done, we'll pull my truck in and move on to the Titan.
I'm in the big leagues, told her don't miss me. Ballin' like Houston, ayy, feeling like Whitney. I need a bag, bruh, send it through quickly. I'm making his dog, like I'm in the big leagues. Told him that I gotta go, dog. I'm riding the road, y'all. I think that I'm back in my bag now. So I need that go, y'all. Got hits when he throwing the fastball. Just too quick for it, peeling off like the whip orange. Seen they effort, this piss poor. I got too much I gotta tend to. Car payments and the rent due. Told y'all that I'm 6 foot, but with the money stabbing, I'm 10-2. Too much that I've been through, so I put it all in that rear view. Clean money in a black whip, got old problems with the friends new. Yeah, I'm in the big leagues, told her don't miss me. Ballin' like Houston, ayy, feeling like Whitney. Yeah, I need a bag.
So we got Mike's truck done. Truck's all at the alignment shop. In the process of getting that done. It'll be back here in a little bit, and we can film the exit and show you what it looks like. But we've moved on to my truck. Truck is Titan swapped on Fox 2.5 coilovers. We're going to do this one a little different because we currently don't have a Titan swap coilover we can take a spring off of. So what I did was I pulled it in. I measured hub to fender. It was at 25 inches, and that's where it sits now. We'll bring it up and then we'll bring it down. The travel numbers of my truck they should be around 8 to 9. I am bump stop limited, I will say that, so the up travel will not be as much as some people, depending on what you want to do with the bump stop. I prefer to have a bigger bump stop just for safety's sake, and just that way I don't ruin anything. But we will go. Here we go. Get there. I think it's done. Yeah, okay. All right, so full compression, we are at just a hair over 21. And we bring her down now, slowly, because it's got everything lifted up here. Okay. At it. Full droop, we are at 28. So there's that. Like I said, numbers are a little bit limited just because of the bump stop, but that's generally where you'll see your travel numbers at with a Titan swap. People can say 12 to 14, but unless you specifically have the lower control arms and the upper control arms as well as the right link shock, you'll be limited to right between like 8 and 10. So there's that. We'll get the wheel back on, and then we will go pick up Mike's truck and film the outro for you guys, as well as do a walk around. So we'll see you in a bit.
I love when the good news coming in on a day-to-day. Already know what's happening, I don't gotta shake the hay. Big moves, big stepper in the right direction. The trip continues, every W's a psychedelic. Journey over accolades, divvy up the accolades and tell them boys to have a day. Give and take, and I love to give. Give and take, and I love to see the bros hitting milestones.
All right, so we got Mike's truck back from the alignment. As you've seen, we used his truck for all the measurements with our kits, with the basic suspension. Used my truck for Titan swap. A couple things on the Titan swap. Again, the front shocks on that have 5.1 inches of travel. So in theory, in practice, it should be 10, but with the bump stop and the bushings and everything being tight with the spring, that's why you saw 7. Either way, it's enough for me. But from there, Mike's already put some miles on the truck, and we will see you next time. Feel free to like, subscribe, ring the bell, do all the fun stuff, and we will see you in the next video.
See ya.
Conversations about the goals and the goal that I'm sitting on. All I hear is low balling digits if I listen to them. No need to counter if it's disrespect. Swam with sharks on how to bite my way out fishing nets. Yeah, I see the light at the end of the juice. Got me swinging for the fence.